click play button to start. Click OK. And then just press space bar to resume the game. Joey is victim of malicious software, which is worms called. Now I'm going to click.
Mange saker. Klick on this, hè?
Just screenshot. Now I'm going to click the component and then I will click the beware of email attachment to instruct Joey aware in files that he clicked. Now this is working. Good job by telling to beware of email attachment. And then there are viruses on the computers. Just click OK. And coworker send attachment. Then click yes. It's from coworker. Yes, of course, learn the mandatory staff meeting. Just click away. Then this scenario, I will not click yes. I will not click yes because the attachment name with that text, which is text, so this is suspicious. I will click no. Okay, and the worm is paid to spread in the computers. Okay, we just success in the first scenario. And the money is still positive. And then we click this second scenario, which is live with macros. Just click button, play button. Click OK. Excellent. Customer want to buy stuff.
Looks like another commission coming my way. Looks like another commission coming my way.
Which is with a document with macro corrupted. Bunch of terrorist documents. And now I will click the objectives to see what I need to do. Here I need to instruct Terry to avoid macroviruses. Now I will click the component and then I need to find the regular antivirus updates to fight the macroviruses spread. Words late. Now we'll go to Office, then we just made it. Much better to be. Now there's a few questions about the macroviruses. Now I will click B, which is contained within documents like doc type or XLS. and then just write it. And then second question is, could data reduce the risk of malware? A while ago in component, we just click the regular antivirus updates to make the computer up to date. So I will choose B. To make the computer is up to date. Now we just survive in the macroversus scenario. Yan, click OK, and then just wait it, and then now money is still positive and the bonus still high, which is $8 per hour.